Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You see guys, there are so many animals here. But before I review it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay guys? So let me start it now. See, this is a kangaroo. You see guys, the kangaroo has a large pouch and many are found in Australia. Then, this is a gorilla. You know that gorillas are the largest living primates. Gorillas are stocky animals with broad chests and shoulders. Then, this is a hippo. You know that hippo can live in two places in water and land. Then, these are rhinoceros. See guys, it has a horn in the middle of its face. Then, this is a camel. See, it has a arm on its back. Then, these are polar bears. You know that polar bears like to live in cold areas like the South Pole. Then, this is a snail. See, snails usually have a spiral-shaped shell. Then, these are elephants. You know, the elephants are the largest living land animal. They have long trunks, ivory tusk, and huge head with wide ears. Then, this is a pigeon. Guys, that pigeons like to eat seeds. Then, this is a cuttlefish. You see, cuttlefish have 8 arms and 2 tentacles equipped with sucker to catch their prey. Then, this is a stingray. Guys, that stingray is one of the largest fish in the world. Then, this is a lobster. You see, it has hard skin and also have compound eyes on movable stalks and 2 pairs of long antennae. Then, this is a rabbit. See, rabbit has 2 pairs of front teeth in its mouth. Then, this is a starfish. You see guys, the upper body covered with blunt spine. Then, these are ducks. That they like to swim and web that feet make it easier for them to swim. Then, this is a crocodile. You know, crocodiles have powerful jaws with many conical teeth and short legs with crab-webbed toes. Then, this is a giraffe. You see, the giraffe has a yellowish-brown body with spots and long neck and strong legs that function to support the giraffe's large body. Then, this is a bee. You see, Bees have a stinger in their tail and also honey-producing bees and also flower eater. Then this is a leopard. You see, they have black spots on their bodies. Then this is a Silotrus gideon horned beetle. You see, the Silotrus gideon is robust, stout body with well-developed mandibles that are invisible from above. And the last is, this is a tiger. Now that tiger is a powerful and colorful species of big cat. Okay guys, I have reviewed it all, so stay tuned on my next video. See you, bye bye.